Welcome to ADHD, Focus and Motivation. Today, we're embracing the journey from chaos to calm by exploring practical, effective organizational tips specifically designed for adults with ADHD. Staying organized might seem daunting, but with these strategies, you can create a more orderly, less stressful life. For adults with ADHD, staying organized isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a sustainable system that accommodates your unique brain wiring. Challenges like distraction, forgetfulness, and overwhelming clutter can be managed with the right approach. Start by understanding your personal challenges and preferences. Do you misplace things often? Are you overwhelmed by clutter? Create a system that addresses your specific needs. This might mean clear, labeled bins for easy access or designated spots for commonly lost items. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. For instance, instead of organize the office, start with sort the desk. Smaller tasks feel less daunting and provide a sense of accomplishment that can motivate you to tackle the next step. Establishing routines can dramatically improve organization. Set specific times for daily tasks like checking emails, tidying up, or planning the next day. Routines create structure and reduce the cognitive load of deciding what to do next. Out of sight often means out of mind for those with ADHD. Use visual reminders to keep track of tasks and appointments. A whiteboard, sticky notes, or digital reminders can be effective. Place them where you'll see them often, like on the fridge, bathroom mirror, or computer screen. Clutter can be a significant source of stress. Set a regular time each week to declutter. This doesn't have to be a long process. Even 15 minutes can make a difference. Regular decluttering prevents the buildup of overwhelming chaos. Technology offers a range of tools to help stay organized. Use apps for reminders, lists, and scheduling. Digital calendars can send alerts for appointments. Timers can help you focus for set periods and remind you to take breaks. You don't have to do this alone. A professional organizer specializing in ADHD can offer tailored strategies. Support groups provide a community of individuals facing similar challenges. Therapists or coaches can help you understand your behaviors and develop personalized strategies. From chaos to calm isn't a destination. It's a journey. With these organizational tips, you can create an environment that supports your ADHD and leads to a more peaceful, productive life. Thank you for joining us at ADHD Focus and Motivation. Embrace your organizational journey and discover the calm within the chaos. If you've found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your own experiences. Your insights could help others on their journey. Until next time, stay focused and stay motivated.